Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today, all today and tomorrow, but all this week, I'm doing deals on trade lines, primaries, AUs, installment loans. I'm doing hella deals, man. Tap in, tap in, tap in. I got rental and I got mortgage, primaries and installment loans. Hey, y'all gotta, it's real. I showed y'all how to make the CPN for free. If y'all didn't, go check that video out. It got 600 something, 600 views. So you already, there we go. How to make the CPN. So just get your trade lines from me. I got all of them. I'm doing deals, so I ain't really gonna hold y'all. The difference between the AU trade line is authorized users. It ain't really no good. It's just to boost your credit score up. We call that a apartment deal, a package deal, because you need a certain credit score. It don't matter what you got on your credit, you just need that score. A primary and an installment loan is like showing on-time history of payments, but they installed into your credit history. As if you're trying to get like a debit card or car, anything. So tap in, y'all. Let's get it, man. I'm doing deals this week. Tap in. Number will be down below. Hit it.